Hello and welcome to Chasing the Twist. Today, Christmas came a bit early and I got my new Lollar P90 pickups. Let's install them in my Epiphone Century and see what the difference is between the stock pickup and the new Lollar P90 pickup. I really like my Epiphone Century. I typically play it through a pedal board into my 68 Princeton Reverb reissue. However, it's really boomy and there's lots of low mid range and it gets kind of muffled, and I find after I install the treble bleed circuit, I find it sounds best with the volume around halfway, but then I lose a lot of output obviously. But the frequencies are much more balanced. So I decided to bite the bullet and upgrade to a Lollar P90 pickup, and I'm hopeful that it will sound better. I'm going to do a before sound sample. I'll install the pickups. I'll skip that part for this video. If you really want to see more detail on how I do it, I'm happy to show more. And then I'll do an after sound sample. Hopefully it sounds better and more balanced, more clear, just better. Here is my before sound sample. My volume and tone are dimed on the guitar. Volume is around 2. Treble and bass are on 6, so that's roughly slightly above middle. I have a little bit of reverb and a little bit of tremolo, as slow as it can go. That was the before sample. I'm now going to change out the pickups. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm back. That was a bit of a pain. Not the pickup part, but just I have to take the guitar totally apart due to the ground wire that's underneath the strap button. And then I also had an issue with my bridge where it just reset to 0 for some reason. So I'll have to do a bit of a setup again, but it's good enough for some initial sound tests. there you go. There's the initial before and after sound test samples. My initial impressions are very good. The output is a lot lower, which I like. The stock P90 had a higher output than my Telecaster, which already had a pretty reasonable output. So that's why I ordered the 50s version of the Lollar P90, because it says it has a lower output, which is what I wanted, especially for this guitar. So it hasn't been a few days, but it's been about an hour, and I've been playing it, and it's awesome. Lollar 50s wound P90 pickup sounds so much more balanced and articulate than the stock P90 pickup in the Epiphone inspired by 1966 Century guitar. That shouldn't come as a surprise. Manufacturers cut corners on pickups, on speakers if it's an amp, on components, and the Epiphone Century was no exception to that. This makes it sound much better than the laminate top and laminate woods that are in it should sound. I highly recommend this Lollar pickup. That said, I'm sure that other P90 pickups sound better than the stock one, but this 50s P90 sounds really great. I wish I would have done it sooner, but one problem with pickups is that you can't really try them before you buy them. You have to buy them, and it's not cheap. It's not super expensive, but this was $115 plus shipping, so $124 or something. You know, that's a purchase. It's not a $20 little frivolous thing. But it sounds great. I'm really happy with it. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Happy playing. Let me know if you want to know any other information on the guitar or on the pickups or even on the amp, whatever. And thanks for watching.